Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Tesla Model Y. First, let's get ready. You'll need 2 buckets, several soft microfiber towels, and a high-quality, pH-neutral car soap. Make sure your Model Y is parked in a cool, shaded spot to avoid water spots. Begin by giving your car a good rinse with a hose, removing any loose dirt and grime from the surface. This initial step is crucial for a scratch-free wash. Now, let's dive into the 2-bucket method, which is essential for protecting your Model Y's paint. Fill 1 bucket with plain water for rinsing your wash mitt and the other with your car soap solution. Always start washing from the top of the car and work your way down. After cleaning each section, rinse your mitt thoroughly in the clean water bucket before dipping it back into the soap. This minimizes the risk of swirling and scratching. Next up are the wheels and drying. It's best to use a separate bucket and brushes specifically for your wheels to avoid transferring brake dust to the paint. Once the wheels are sparkling, rinse them well. For drying, grab a large, soft microfiber drying towel and gently blot the water away. You can also use a leaf blower for those tricky spots like mirrors and door jambs, ensuring a streak-free finish. To complete your Model Y wash, let's add some final touches and protection. Consider applying a ceramic spray sealant or a quality wax to enhance the shine and provide a protective layer against contaminants. Don't forget to clean all the glass surfaces with a streak-free glass cleaner. Finally, wipe down the door jambs and trunk seals. Take a moment to admire your beautifully clean Tesla Model Y, ready for its next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.